Hello, my beautiful jewels and gems, and welcome to this edition of Ask Chauntel. So today we've got another Nadine West unboxing. Let's get into it.
Problems in your life and you need advice. All you gotta do is ask Chauntel.
Hi guys,
Hi guys.
my name is Chauntel from askchauntel.com, and these are my two girls. What's your name?
That's Nina.
And what's your name?
And my name is Eden from God from Daddy.
I'm a Christian mom and wife and a relationship, life, and business coach, and I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives, healthy families, and meaningful businesses and brands. Welcome to our channel. We hope that you love the video. So Nadine West sends me clothes to share with you guys every month. Comes in a cute pink package. And what you do is you go on nadinewest.com, you fill out a style profile. Anything that you don't like, you just put it back in this envelope, send it back, and you pay $9 for shipping, and that is that. You've already paid for it, you just send it back. If you like things, fly it, and there you go. Oh, I forgot to mention that you guys need to stay tuned until the end so that you can see me try on the clothes. Okay, so we've got two bundles in here, and there is a prepaid mailing label inside along with the price list, and I will put the prices for you on askchauntel.com. Okay, so let's open this one because this one came out first. And oh yeah, there's a cute Nadine West sticker on there. Shorts, honey, because I live in Cali and it's not cold. It's still hot out here, okay? I know that it's fall officially, but it's still hot out here. Okay, so these are so cute. They're tie-dye loungewear. Yes, mama needs loungewear, okay? Oh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's more shorts, tie-dye. That one has not quite a paper, I would say it's semi-paper bag waist, which is in, oh, the jewelry flew. There's a necklace here. I think I'll just set that to the side for in a bit. Oh, I see boho. I love boho, so y'all know, if y'all didn't know. Look at this coral. Isn't that such a pretty color? Look at that. Eyelet. This is called eyelet for y'all that don't know about that. Bordered. I'm really excited. That is exciting. I love dresses, and I needed some shorts. I definitely did that enough. Or like, send me shorts, please. Yeah, I love that you can personalize it to be what you need. Okay, so this is a top, and I like that it's got the keyhole in the back. Very cute. There's some ruching in the front, so we'll see how that looks on. Looks like a tunic. And then there were, what's this? Oh, it's a top. It's a blouse. It looks kind of large for me though. Honestly, it's a medium. I'm like, it does not look like a medium, but like lace sleeves. So let's see. All right, so I'm gonna go try on these clothes and I'll see you guys when I'm in them. What? Wait. I forgot about the jewelry. Guys, I forgot about the jewelry. So let's do that. Let's see what we got. There's a necklace of sorts. Oh, this is so cute. See that? For some reason, it reminds me of like a deer horn, and I know that's not what it is, but that's what it reminds me of. That's so very pretty. I really like that. It's like simple, but it's a little something, you know, a little something. So I really did like this outfit. I thought that it was really effortless and the colors really meshed well together. I just felt like they complemented each other very well, and I loved this kind of soft orange on my complexion. And I've been getting a lot of use out of these shorts. They're extremely comfortable, and I really like the mostly neutral color of them, like this kind of bluish, grayish color. So I was not a fan of this outfit. The shorts kind of make me look a little frumpy, as does the top. So I wasn't really with this outfit at all. I thought this dress was really pretty, very classy. I really liked the color. I don't know, the style of it didn't end up being my favorite, but you know what? I really did like it. I felt like it was complimentary, especially the pink. So I'd love to know what your favorite outfit was. My favorite was probably definitely the first one, and what your least favorite was, and what could you see yourself wearing. Let me know in the comment section below. Well, I hope that you guys enjoy this unboxing. If you did, definitely give me a like. If you'd like to see more videos like this, definitely subscribe. I've got a ton more coming up for you right here. And I would love to know what your favorite outfit was. So definitely leave that in the comment section below. What your least favorite was. We want to know that as well. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Hugs and kisses. Check out these videos.